This house speaks for itself. There's something about this house that makes it so effortless. It doesn't try to impress you so much, but somehow it does. For a starting family, this might be the ideal place to call home. Or if you are on business trip, this is the ideal location for you as you have your stay here in Nairobi. Hi, my name is Priska Elsie, and today I'm taking you on a tour of a 2-bedroom apartment in Westlands. So without much further ado, let's begin by what is in front of me. Before me is a lounge area that is quite spacious, especially for a family that's just starting. You can do a lot with this space. This space can fit an L seat, such a seat, and so much. But as well, I want you to look at the tiling. It is so lovely. We have so much light coming in, but that's not the only thing that's making the space look so much bright, because we have a sliding door right in front of me that brings in more light because it has a balcony area, and the balcony is also so huge. For a starting family, or even if you're staying here alone, it's so huge. As you can see, you can do so much. You can create a mini escape for yourself so that you just watch your neighbors, you can watch cars passing by, think, you know, encompass life and everything in between. But I love this space because we can do so much with it. But before we finish with the living room, I also want you to see how this developer thought about the space in terms of the layout. The sitting area is on this side in front of me. And when you turn to my immediate right, we have this designated space that has or will have your dining area. If not your dining area, you can do so much with this space. You can have your study table, you can have your mini wall of art if you don't like spaces for the dining table, and you still have so much space that you can even put an 8-seater dining table, is it? Yeah. And you can also put a console table here so that when you come from work, you drop your things 1, 2, 3 for those who like consoles, or you can just do whatever you want with this space. There's so much to do here, and this is also directly connected to your lounge area, which brings me to the kitchen, the place that most people love, especially women, the kitchen. This is where magic happens. That's where you're alive. That's where you're growing every day, because you're healthy. Everything that comes from here is what makes you who you are today. So what I love about this space is we have so much space to move. We have so much storage space, from the cabinets to the color of the cabinets, the grays, the tones are so much rich. And the storage spaces, oh my God, you can do so much. If you're a person who loves chic utensils, antique utensils, this is the place you can put them. As well, it has a fitted cooker that comes with the house. And then I want you to look at the countertop. It is very smooth and tiled. Why? This is to help you with cleaning. When you're cooking, the mess, that's so normal for each and every one of us. So when you're cooking, it's easier to clean. Also, look at the backsplash. I want you to notice something. The tiling on the countertop is smooth, but the tiling on the backsplash is quite rough texture, smooth. It's in between. They're not the same, because most of the time you spend your time here. So it's gonna be easier to clean here. And what spills here, you can do a bit of scrubbing. And I also want us to focus on the sockets that have been placed on the backsplash. This is for easier use for your microwave, your blender, you know, everyday life things. And we have a sink as well that is very modern. Very, very modern. I love this. For my house, definitely have this. And we have more storage space here, just in case you want to put your dish rack and A, B, C, and D. But before we leave the kitchen area, we have it connected to the laundry area, which is still under construction, so we're not gonna move into that, I almost forgot the smoke extractor and the snake lights below the storage area. That's gonna help you at night, maybe when you want to grab a snack and whatnot and you don't want to open the lights for your family and then they get up, especially for the upcoming family. You know how kids can be sometimes, you know? Yeah, so it also comes fitted with a microwave and an oven. And when you get your fridge, this is the designated space that you're gonna put it, and that is your awesome, lovely kitchen. Okay, so now that we are done with the first layout of the house, which is this side, which I'm gonna call the cozy place, but not so cozy, because now we are headed to the most cozy place in the house. So before we go to the bedroom, I want us to start with the common bathroom because it's very close to me. So yeah, come along with me and let us see how much this developer thought about this space, even for you as a guest. If you're having guests in your house, how lovely is this? You just come look at yourself in the mirror. We have storage space for you as well. If you want to put your skincare routine, you know, some girl stuff, or for the guys, your beard shaver, the creams, yada, yada, yada. And also we have a provision of a socket in case you want to do your hair or shave your beard, and a nice sink that's very modern and so much storage on the below the sink as well. And here we have something I am in love with. This, as you can see, has a socket over here and it's connected to the towel rack. Why? This is supposed to warm your towels. Who doesn't want a warm towel while coming from the bathroom? Which leads me to the bathroom. It has sliding doors. Oops, let me be slow. And it has a rain shower, which, I mean, we love such a bathroom. So we are gonna leave the common bathroom and we are gonna head to the first bedroom of the house. We are gonna start by describing the doors. Sorry, I forgot to talk about the doors and how strong they are. And also, it has a soft close, which means when you bang the door, there's no noise. So for, you know, dramatic kids and whatnot, no banging of doors. So let's get to the storage space. We have so much storage space. Here you can hang your coats as well as here, and then below here you can put your folded clothes, yada yada yada. The color is so rich, love it. On this side we have where you're gonna put your bed. This is an example. Remember guys, this is a show house, and if you get this house you're gonna put everything that you would like. For instance, from what we have in front of us, the walls are very lovely. The floor, I'm sorry, I forgot about the floor. So I want you to notice something. When you come from the other side of the house, which has soft textured tiling, when you enter the bedroom side, we have the wooden floors. Why do we have wooden floors? Of course, when you come to your bedroom, you want warmth, you want to be cozy, you want to rest after a long day. Yeah, so this is the need. When you have wooden floors, it's going to be warm. You're gonna do, you know, you're gonna feel like you're home and whatnot. And we have a very amazing view as well from the bedroom. I'm sorry, I don't think I can get to open that, but it's a huge window that you have the views of the road, the town, and whatnot. Before heading to the primary bedroom, we have this hallway that personally I would have pictures of my kids here and here, or I'd do something else with this space that I'm not going to mention. That is for you to mention when you get this house. And wow, my oh my, can we talk about the space in the primary bedroom? Like, I can dance, I can have so much to do in here. I can have my TV over here because of the sockets, the provision of sockets over here. You can just do a lot. You can have your study table here if you don't want a second, you know, side table. But I want us to focus at what we have here. For instance, if this was your house and this is what you did for your primary bedroom, can we see the ambient lighting that is on the side or the board where your bedside is supposed to be? There's so much in this room. The lighting, we also have ambient light, the canister lighting over here if you don't want the main light. And the color of the wardrobe or cabinet, thank you. It's also the same as the first bedroom. The space is still the same. I don't think it's quite different, but I mean, for a starting family or if you're a visitor, this makes sense, doesn't it? So come with me, let's check the cloakroom before we head to the balcony. And it's more of the same, but hey, oh, it failed me already. So there's something very interesting about this house, especially in the primary bedroom, that I wanted you guys to notice. So this is an automated washroom or toilet that comes with a remote. Which developer can do this for you? Come on, you can warm your toilet seat. Hello, you can warm your toilet seat. You can flush with the remote. Come on, is this not the house that you need? This is the perfect space that you need. And apart from that, we also have storage space, just like the main or the common room. And I know most of you don't understand why this is always here. I also learned that today. This is to control the mist, especially when you're coming off of the bathroom. It's normally so warm and hot in here. You get that there's mist on the, mirror. Yeah, so this is there to remove the mist. We have the sink and more storage space down here, and also the washroom, the shower is the same as the common bathroom. Before we finish with the primary bedroom, there's one more thing that the primary bedroom has that the other bedroom does not, which is a balcony. This is how you'll be drawing your curtains in the morning when you wake up. I know, right? This is the perfect house for you. So yeah, we have so much lighting coming into the bedroom, and it's also quite private compared to the other bedroom because now we have a balcony, which means there's a difference between the road and you. There's quite a small distance, so you can do so much. Now, this is the actual place to put your, what do we call it? Bean bag, read a book, decorate it, make it your cozy house, your cozy home, all those things. But after all we have seen, this is definitely a 2-bedroom house that you would like to have. You thought that was the end of the video, right? Hey, I want you to stay there because I'm taking you to one of the places that most developers in Nairobi don't give it to you. How about we take a look? So this is the DSQ and it's connected to the laundry area, and over here is the door that connects it to the laundry area and connects it to the kitchen. And you can also have a space for your bed and your amenities as well, which now this is the front door for the DSQ that leads us back to the main house, whereby this is your entryway. So now, after everything that you have seen from this house and from this developer, what are the 5 things that have stood out for you in this house? And I want you to write it down on the comment section for me. So if you're interested in this 2-bedroom apartment, it's located in Westlands and it's standing on 132 square meters. And its amenities are having a heated swimming pool. Oh my God, a heated swimming pool, a sauna for that matter, and also it has a garden area. The completion of this apartment is going to be 2027 July. Yeah. So if you are interested in this 2-bedroom apartment, the number has always been on your screen. I have been your host, Priska Elsie, your guide for exceptional living.